This video shows the assembly of a 2-super 10-frame beehive. This means that the hive has 2 levels which each hold 10 frames. Frames are what bees build their honeycombs off of and use for storing honey and raising pupa. From left to right, the parts of the beehive include frames, a base or mite screen, 2 boxes holding 10 frames each, a wooden layer of insulation, and a foam top to the hive. I highly recommend purchasing a beehive kit. It includes all of these pieces, but you only have to assemble the 2 boxes and 20 frames. To build your hive, you will need waterproof wood glue and a hammer. All of the nails you will need are included in the kit. Begin by placing glue where the slots in the wood will connect. The kit will have 2 short and 2 long sides, so that the resulting box will be rectangular. Before nailing the pieces of wood together, make sure the handle cutouts on the outside of the box are all facing the same way. Once you have all 4 sides assembled, nail the pieces together with the 2-inch nails. Keep checking to be sure the corners are square as you nail. The next step is to assemble the frames. Frames consist of 2 side bars, a wedge top bar, a wax template, and a bottom bar. Start by gluing the 2 side bars together to the wedge top bar. Once the pieces are connected, use 2 1 1/4 inch nails on each joint to secure them together. Now it's time to place the wax. You will notice that one side of the wax has bent metal hooks. You will want to place that edge along the wedge top bar and secure it with a wedge of wood. To secure the wax, you will want to nail the wedge in place with 3 5/8 inch nails.
I didn't really do them evenly.
That's alright.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. No one's gonna see it really. Just these.
They're the biggest judges of all.
Yeah. Like, I can't use this hive. Look at these nails.
This is made by an amateur. There we go.
Once the wax is secure, use 2 support pins on both sides of the wax to help keep the wax centered. Last step is to place the bottom bar. Apply glue to the joints. As you push the piece of wood into place, make sure the wax goes into the pre-cut slot in the bottom bar. Once you assemble the 2 boxes and the 20 frames, you can begin assembling your hive. Start by placing 10 frames in each box. Now it's time to put it all together. On the very bottom goes the mite tray, with a mite screen as the base. Beekeepers place sticky traps on these trays so as to catch any mites that fall through the bottom screen. Next comes the first super. Between the first and second super is the queen excluder. This is a very important piece, especially if you want to collect honey. The queen excluder prevents the queen from reaching the top of the box and laying eggs alongside the honey. Next is the wooden layer of insulation, and then the foam top, which is another form of insulation. And there you have it, a 2 super 10 frame hive.